Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to create calendar in CodeIgniter. So let's get started. So I have created the simple view, just CI calendar. There is one heading only. So let me show you code now. You can see there is one home controller and only index.php file is loaded, and in index.php there is bootstrap loaded and just one heading h2 CI calendar. So I'll be using a very simple library of CodeIgniter, that is calendar here. So let me load the library calendar. So for creating calendar, there is function generate in library. So I'll be using that. Write this calendar generate and take this inner data calendar. So I'll be passing this data into my view. Now in my view, write just echo calendar here. Now let me show you in browser. In browser you can see now we are having a basic calendar here. So let me show you the documentation for library. Here you can see how to pass data to your calendar cells. So I'm just going to show you how to display previous and next month. So for that I need to do some configuration. So here you can see next and previous month. So two things you need to do. First one is enable next and previous. After that you need to pass the URL. So now library will be loaded after this configuration. So pass this configuration into the library. Now let me change URL. So write localhost, remove index.php, and here you can see calendar. So now calendar will be changed with home and index function. So next I need is year and month. So I need to know that for which year and for which month I need to generate my calendar. So I'll be getting it from URI segment. So pass this into generate function, pass year first and then month. So let's go and check in browser, refresh. Now you can see next and previous button is there. So if I'll click on it, you can see it's working fine. So there are other options as well. So let me show you some. So firstly is start day, from which day you want to start your calendar, then month type, short or long. After that there is day type, short or long. So let's check in browser. Now you can see our starting weekday is Saturday. So let's change our start date to Monday. Save it, and now let's go and check in browser. Refresh. So now you can see now starting weekday is Monday. So that's how you can add a basic calendar to your web page. You can customize this using a template as well. So how to customize your calendar, I'll be showing you in my next video. So in this video I have shown you just how to add a basic calendar. So if you have any doubt, then please comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.